English Speech on Republic Day. Republic Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Parva. Today is 26th January. We all celebrating Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, in 1950, our Constitution came into force. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is the largest written constitution in the whole world. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. Today we are a great republic. Republic means a country whose leader is president, not a king or queen. This would not have been possible if our freedom fighters had not made numerous sacrifices for the independence of the country. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.